when you feel it's hopeless.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It is orange smoky eye look. I have highlighted crease line using liquid eyeshadow. This seems complex to a beginner, but you'll know how to do it easily. If you're interested in knowing how to get that crease line highlight done, then please continue watching. It's a very quick and easy smoky eyeshadow look. I'm using Watermelon Splash Nika K palette and picking this orange eyeshadow. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my crease using E33 Sigma brush. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. For eyeshadow to deposit on crease, build the eyeshadow slowly. Keep moving the brush on your crease. Hold the brush lightly. Smokiness will appear when you hold the brush extremely light. Hold the brush in mid. I'm packing the same on my outer V. After I cover my outer V, I would be intensifying the outer V further using this eyeshadow. This is deeper than the previous eyeshadow. Begin applying on your outer V. Move the brush in circular motion to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this beautiful shimmer. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease. Next, I would be intensifying my outer V using black eyeshadow. Pick black eyeshadow from some other palette. Tap and move the brush in circular motion for it to blend with the orange eyeshadow. I'm taking it towards the crease. Don't take too much inside. Keep moving. Don't deposit. Black eyeshadows are very pigmented. Don't deposit all of a sudden a very huge amount. Build the black eyeshadow slowly. I'm pulling shimmery eyeshadow towards the outer V eyeshadow now to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. After this, I'm applying liquid eyeshadow to highlight my crease line. I'm using liquid eyeliner wand, but I'm using liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner. The hack here to get this crease line highlight is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the liquid eyeliner wand. Remove the excess in the wand, clean the wand thoroughly and place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Be patient here. It will take 20 to 30 minutes for you. If you are a beginner, with time you will be able to do it within 5 minutes. And it's done. Practice multiple times and you can do it easily. After this, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pull it downwards, then take it inwards. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. Link to this product along with other products is in the description box below. On my lower lash line, I'm packing the outer V eyeshadow, second orange eyeshadow. Next, I would be intensifying my eyelashes, coating mascara on them. Upper and lower lashes should be intensified while coating mascara. Move the wand multiple times upwards when you're coating mascara on your upper eyelashes. And when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted if you hold the wand vertically, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eyeshadow look created, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.